In this video, I will show you the complete guide on how to buy shoe from 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started.
So welcome back, friends. So let's see how to buy from different supplier and make payments at once on 1688 China importation without using agents. So let's begin. First thing I'm going to do is to head over to my 1688 shopping app right here. I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up my 1688 shopping app, the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my cart. I have added all the item into cart, so I'll check on the cart right away. Then these are all the items from my cart right here. So all these shoes here, they were from different store, different sizes, and the different color from Chinese supplier. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure I select all the items. So for me to select all the item, I need to just click on here. Just click on here to select all the items. Alright, so all the shoes has been fully selected. So I'm paying the sum of 449.70 yuan to purchase all these items before shipping fee are there. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go to the checkout and see the actual amount I'm going to pay to purchase all these items. Alright, so from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 488.70 yuan to purchase all these shoes in different color, different sizes from different supplier on 1688. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So you can see we are able to purchase from different 7 stores on 1688. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the shoes we just purchased from different store is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. These are all the shoes we just purchased from different store, different sizes, different color on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.